dusty road, no need to hide, with boots worn down and a hat pulled low. It's a long way back, but we're in no hurry to go. The sun dips low in the amber sky. Coyotes howl, a lonesome cry. With the stars alight, we carry on the dusty road home where we belong. Singing sweet and low, a tale untold of the weary heart and the spirit bold. Through the fields of gold and the hills of stone, we walk together, never